To connect the Pi network to OKX, start by opening the OKX app and selecting the crypto, which in this case is Pi, as well as the Pi network. Ensure both the crypto and network are set to Pi. Then proceed to the deposit details section where you will find a QR code and deposit address. Copy the deposit address to your phone's clipboard. Before proceeding, note the minimum deposit requirement, which is likely achievable. Next, open the Pi Network browser app, navigate to the wallet, and unlock it using your 24-word passphrase, Face ID, or fingerprint. Verify that you are on the Pi mainnet, as opposed to the Pi testnet, and switch if necessary. Once inside the wallet, check your available balance. If your balance is not available, you may need to migrate it by going to the Migrations section. After ensuring you have an available balance, click on the Pay Request option. Then select Manually Add Wallet Address. Paste the OKX deposit address you copied earlier into the provided window. Then confirm the transaction. You should see a message indicating that the transfer has succeeded, and your Pi will appear in your OKX wallet. For your first transfer, consider sending a small amount, such as 1 to 3 Pi coins, to test the process. If the transfer is successful, you can then proceed to move more Pi to OKX. Following these steps should facilitate a successful connection between the Pi network and OKX.